Days after social media giant Twitter lost its intermediary status in India because it failed to comply with the new IT norms put in place, Twitter officials will be appearing today before a parliamentary standing committee that's headed by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor that's slated to happen at 4 this evening. They'll be giving a briefing on the prevention of misuse of their social media platform and issues related to protection of citizens' rights, particularly women's security. This after Twitter India did not comply with the new IT norms, and as a result, it's lost its legal immunity in the country. Twitter was obliged earlier to take down illegal content. Now it faces civil and criminal liability also for any illegal post on its platform. According to the new IT guidelines, all social media giants have to appoint a nodal officer to ensure that new rules are followed. The nodal officer has to work with law enforcement agencies to remove or block any illegal or inflammatory content on their site.
देखिए, रविशंकर प्रसाद जी हों या आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हों, वो हिंदुस्तान के 140 करोड़ लोगों की आवाज दबाना चाहते हैं। ये अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी की लड़ाई है। ट्विटर कंपनी कुछ नहीं लिखती। ट्विटर तो मात्र एक प्लेटफॉर्म है। ट्विटर पर हिंदुस्तान के लोग लिखते हैं, और जब वो मोदी जी की आलोचना लिखता है तो सरकार के पेट में दर्द होता है। इसलिए अब ये हर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी तालाबंदी करना चाहते हैं। मंशा केवल साफ है।
Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has launched a scathing attack at the microblogging site, saying that Twitter cannot hide in the garb of free speech and not take action against manipulated tweets.
Union Law and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad launched a fresh attack on microblogging platform Twitter, exposing what he insists are its double standards on tagging tweets as manipulated. After the Ghaziabad police FIR against Twitter, politicians, activists and others, Prasad asked why had Twitter failed to mark the Ghaziabad tweets in question as manipulated.
If Twitter has a norm of declaring a particular tweet as manipulated or unmanipulated, why it was not applied in the case of Ghaziabad case? When, apart from the fake element, it was provocative?
He argued Twitter will not be allowed to hide behind the garb of free speech and will have to follow the new IT rules for social media intermediaries.
आप सैकड़ों करोड़ कमा रहे हैं, एक बार प्लेटफॉर्म दबाइए तो तुरंत में विज्ञापन पे विज्ञापन आने लगेगा। अच्छी बात है, खूब कमाइए, लेकिन कानून का तो पालन करना पड़ेगा ना। व्यापार करिए, खूब मुनाफे कमाइए, हमारी सरकार की आलोचना करिए, जो आपके यूजर हैं सवाल पूछें, उसका स्वागत है, लेकिन भारत का संविधान और भारत का कानून पालन करना पड़ेगा।
Government says if Twitter wants to continue to operate in India, it will have to appoint a grievance officer, a nodal officer and a compliance officer. Meanwhile, another complaint has been lodged against Twitter Managing Director in India, Manish Maheshwari and others in connection with the alleged communal twist given to the altercation in Ghaziabad. A Delhi-based lawyer, Amit Acharya, filed a complaint at the Tilak Marg police station in central Delhi, saying despite police statement on the Ghaziabad incident, Twitter did not take down the tweets or even mark them as manipulated, alleging a wider conspiracy to incite communal riots. The Delhi police say they are probing the matter. The opposition continues to take on the Modi government for targeting the social media platform Twitter in the times of pandemic.
They cannot control Twitter. That's why they want to bulldoze Twitter. They cannot control me, so they want to bulldoze my government. So that is their phenomena. And one day there will be end. There will be end of everything.
Despite the criticism, the government insists all social media platforms will have to comply with the new IT rules in India.
The FIR complaint that has been filed in the Tilak Marg police station claims that Dorsey deliberately visited Indian journalists and activists and is part of a conspiracy to destabilize the country. It now remains to be seen whether the police will act upon this complaint. In New Delhi with cameraman Sachin, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.